Did you know some of the most successful people in history, kings, CEOs, even cult leaders, never played fair? They played smart. They didn't shout to gain power. They whispered. They didn't show off strength. They concealed it until the perfect moment. Welcome to the world of psychological warfare. This isn't about manipulation. It's about strategy. In today's video, we'll break down how the 48 laws of power hold the key to winning at life, love, and leadership without selling your soul. And stick around till the end. I'll share a law that almost every beginner breaks, costing them trust, influence, and sometimes everything. Let's get one thing straight. When we say power, we're not talking about domination. Psychologically, power is the ability to influence people, decisions, and outcomes without force. It's subtle, quiet, intentional. According to psychologists like Robert Cialdini and studies in behavioral science, power often comes from perception, not position. That means how you present yourself, the energy you carry, and even the pauses between your words can determine whether people follow you or forget you. Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power is practically a psychology Bible disguised as a strategy guide. It shows how people throughout history, from Napoleon to Steve Jobs, use human behavior to get ahead. And here's where it gets crazy. Most people unknowingly break these laws every day, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. So, why do these 48 laws actually work? Let's break it down, brain style. Your brain has something called the amygdala. It's the fear center. When someone seems powerful or unpredictable, your brain becomes alert. It respects what it doesn't understand. That's law number 6, court attention at all costs. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, that's the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, loves certainty. So when someone follows law number 3, conceal your intentions, people around them become curious, even obsessed, trying to figure them out. These laws tap into primal instincts, the need to survive, belong, and dominate. Think about it. When a politician uses vague language, that's law number 4, always say less than necessary. When a company creates artificial scarcity, that's law number 16, use absence to increase respect and honor. You might not realize it, but these laws are everywhere. Okay, let's bring this down to earth. Ever had a coworker who always stays neutral, never picks sides? That's law number 20, do not commit to anyone. It makes them less predictable and more powerful. Or someone who suddenly disappears from social media, then returns with a big announcement? That's law number 16 in action again. But here's the thing, you can't fake this stuff. People will sniff out dishonesty fast. The goal is to be strategic, not slimy. So, how can you start applying these laws in a real, authentic way? White-headed checkmark tip 1, practice restraint. Don't overshare your plans. Build curiosity. White-headed checkmark tip 2. Focus on perception. How do you appear to others? Controlled mystery equals quiet power. White-headed checkmark tip 3. Study power dynamics at work, school, or even with friends. Ask, who really has influence here, and why? White-headed checkmark tip 4. Don't use every law. Pick 2 to 3 that match your personality and situation. One of my favorite quotes from the 48 Laws of Power is this: reputation is a cornerstone of power. Guard it with your life. So here's my challenge to you. Audit your own power. Where are you leaking influence? Are you too predictable? Too available? Too emotional? Start applying just one law this week. Maybe it's saying less. Maybe it's appearing more mysterious. And watch how people respond. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with a law you think is most powerful. And hey, remember, in a world full of noise, power belongs to the ones who whisper strategically. Until next time, stay sharp.